Hey! In this video, we'll explore the process of creating automatic sequential numbering using the TCOUNT command, and how to enclose text using TCIRCLE command. Let's dive in. So, type command TCOUNT. Enter. Type F. Enter. Select fence points one by one. Enter. Select order. Type 1, 1. Enter. Select overwrite. Wow! Now I want to create a circle around each number. So, type command TCIRCLE. Enter. Type F. Enter. Select fence points one by one. Enter. Press enter again. Select circles. Select constant. You have got the desired result. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.